If you think YouTube pays $1 or $2 per 1,000 views, you either way off or you're missing out. Now today I'm going to pull back the curtain and show you exactly how much I got paid for just 1,000 views, and more importantly why the amount changes drastically depending on your niche. Now what you see today could completely change how you approach your content strategy. This video is currently having as you can see clearly 1,000 views, and the impressions is 19.3k. yes, the click-through rate is only 3.8%. Let me show you exactly the amount YouTube actually pays for 1,000 views, and you know what, it's actually gonna amaze you though. But I have a question for you. After showing you that, stick and stay, and you know what, we're gonna be somehow amazed. That is $1.34 for 1,000 views. $1.34 for 1,000 views. Is it worth it? I've been asking these questions. Sometimes I do normally ask, if you get 1,000 views and YouTube pays you $1.34, how is going to be your reaction? Now let me show you one thing over here. Now when we check the revenue, let's quickly check the RPM down there and see how it all happens this way. Now the RPM, that is the amount YouTube pays me, is only $1.30 per 1,000 views. You understand? Out of $10. That means the CPM, as you can see clearly, the advertisers actually paid more, that is $10, but YouTube only paid me, out of the $10 they paid me only 1.30. that is the RPM over there, and that is the reason I'm having this amount, 1.34 estimated revenue for only 1,000 views over here. Now let me show you the audience. There is a reason sometimes certain factors come into place for YouTube to pay you certain amount of money. Quickly, let me show you one thing down there, the audience. Now don't forget, this particular video got me 39 subscribers. That's quite a plus. But now when you check at the top geography, you could see that I am not having top countries over here. I'm not having majority of the countries here being the top ones. Now I'm only having United States of America topping, and quite frankly and surprisingly, United States of America is almost all the time topping my top geography. Thank you guys, those of you watching from United States of America, thank you guys. Okay, God bless you so much. Keep sharing my videos over there for me. Now I have United Kingdom in here, and that's also having 2.3%. so if I had gotten all these five countries to be the top countries, you can imagine the amount of monies I would have gotten by now. But the sad thing is that majority of these countries are coming from Asia and that of Africa. You see, Nigeria, India, and Kenya. So when it happens that way, it's actually gonna reduce the amount. You understand? Some people are having only even Asian countries and African countries, and with that one, the amount I had over here, you are not actually gonna get even half of this. That is why sometimes people are having thousands of views, but they are not even getting up to $1. But over here, only 1,000 views has actually gotten me $1.34, of which I think is a plus. Oh yes. So what can you also say about that? What's your take on this particular one? How do you see it? Is YouTube actually paying us for our toils, our struggles, or they are underpaying us? Let me know at the comment section. Have you gotten this amount before under your 1,000 views? Share with us and let's take it down there at the comment section. So that is it, and let me use the opportunity to actually guide you on how to increase your revenue whenever you are making a video on YouTube. Now let's check this one. This particular video was actually optimized so high so that the algorithm can favor my video to push it to the right audience and in the top country, and that is the reason you saw that I'm having two major top countries in my top geography. So those of you who are not having top countries showing your top geography to increase your revenues, check this particular trick right now. Now check the title of the video. As you can see clearly over here, this is the title of the video. If YouTube is not recommending your videos, do this now. 2025 update. And now when you come to the file name, the file name is also having the same name. Don't forget about that one. Now let's check in the description if you are also going to see any of the keywords in here, and then we take it from there. So now when you check over here, I'm having these as my hashtags: get 1,000 subscribers, how to grow your channel, small YouTubers, YouTube secret. You know what, this particular video is mostly and specifically about small YouTubers, and that's the reason you see this hashtags over here. So make sure you use your hashtags to target your audience, the people you want them to actually be watching your video for you. In the first line, I said that in this video I share 3 secrets to get views and subscribers really fast to get monetized, and so that's exactly what the video is about. So let your description actually talk about the video. Yes, don't have a video of A and then have a description of B. No, let the YouTube algorithm understand the video at the description section so that it can recommend to the people who are eager to find out what your video is all about. That is it. And now the title and that of the file name are having same name. That also will go a long way to help in search discoverability. So assuming someone searches for recommendation on YouTube, straight away YouTube is going to actually recommend or show my video in the search result, all because I am having both my file name and that of my title bearing the same name. So the probability of my video appearing on top search is higher, more than someone who didn't even name the file name as the title of the video or with the keywords in the title of the video. So that's also one trick that I use that actually helped me a lot over here. So put that into practice and it's also going to help you a lot. The next thing is that make sure you put it in a playlist. Very important over here. So you see, I have even 3 playlists where I put this particular video in: get more subscribers, the first one with these tricks, YouTube studio hacks, and then how to monetize your YouTube channel faster. All these playlists are actually talking about the video. That is why I place them in there. So depending on the playlist you have and the kind of videos you are making, arrange them in that style and it's going to help you. Let me show you one more thing. That's the last thing before I bring the particular video to an end. You know what, at the tag 2, you see we have small YouTubers preceding. That is it, and that is signaling that you are actually want to target the small YouTubers, and this is what actually made the magic topping at the United States of America. You see, make sure the video language is in English and that of the title also in English. Assuming you are making your videos in your home country local language, on top of the screen the subtitles, make sure you give English subtitles so that people in the United States of America and the English speaking countries can also have access and benefit from your video. And that is what helps a lot for your video to rank in English speaking countries. So even if you cannot speak English, you can make the subtitles speak for you by using CapCut to get your subtitles or any of the editing applications. Even if you are not having any of these, you can type them manually so that your video can stand the chance of actually going viral in the United States of America, therefore increasing your views and your revenue on your channel. So that's exactly how much YouTube actually paid me for 1,000 views. $1.34 US. Let me hear from you. Is it worth it? Where are you watching from? Let me see from the comment section. If you're a small YouTuber, take this opportunity to describe your channel down there in the comment section, and hey, there's going to be a special support for you. Thank you very much once again for watching, and I'm sure you've gotten value from this particular video. Do well to let someone also have access to this video by sharing it, and if today happens to be your first time, do well to click on the subscribe button. Actually, over here on my channel, that's exactly what I do, giving you the powerful tips and tricks to also grow your YouTube channel. So thank you. Before you go, I have this special video for you, and this special video is to help you know the best way to promote your YouTube videos to get traffic onto your channel. Do you know that aside YouTube, there are other social media platforms, the best ones to use to promote your video? I have this special one for you, and it will amaze you that you already have this social media platform on your phone. I have given you a clear tutorial on how to use that social media platform, that particular one, to drive traffic onto your YouTube videos. Watch it right now, and hey, you're going to be amazed, and you're going to see your YouTube channel from small to the biggest one you've been dreaming of. Thank you very much. See you next time in my next video.